Hallo zusammen, herzlich willkommen. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to share with you guys some information on some books which you can use for your Goethe A1 course and exam preparation as well. As there are so many books available right now and a lot of sources, a lot of you guys must be confused which books to use, which material to follow, and a lot more. So I am here to help you guys in this matter. So without wasting much of our time, let's begin. This video is structured into 4 parts. Initially, I'm going to tell you exam pattern in short. Most of you must be knowing it. Second is books which are to be used for course preparation. Third part is books to be used for exam preparation, and last is our bonus tip. Goethe A1 exam is also called as Start Deutsch 1 Prüfung. This exam is divided into 4 parts. Honestly, all the A1 to C2 exams are divided into 4 parts: Lesen, Hören, Schreiben and Sprechen. Lesen is reading, Hören is listening, Schreiben is writing, and Sprechen is speaking, as you can see here on the screen. Each part has 25 marks each in the exam. If you guys want detailed video for exam pattern, do let me know in the comment box. Furthermore, the sections are divided into different parts. They are called as styles, but we'll see that in another video if you guys want that. Next section is the question which a lot of beginners have, that is, which book should I use for my course preparation? The course books I would suggest you are called as Netzwerk. The link for these books are given in the description box. There are so many reasons why I would suggest you to use these books, and most important is that these books are very well structured. From my 2 years of experience of teaching, I can definitely tell that students who follow these books have really good results. Moreover, audios you need for these books are available on YouTube very easily. Link for those are also added in the description box. And the solution is also easily available on internet. So you can just PDF download it and use it. If you are not following a teacher or you are self-studying German, then following these books will really be very easy for you. So this is a set of 4 books, which is a textbook, which we call it Kursbuch, workbook, which we call as Arbeitsbuch, glossar, that is a dictionary kind of thing, that it has vocabulary, and intensive trainer. If you need a video on how to use these books to get good results, just let me know in the comment box below. Now the question is, I have studied, I know vocabulary, I can form good sentences. Now what to do before appearing for an exam? So obviously what you guys should do is exam preparation, but which books should you follow for exam preparation? So there are 2 books I would suggest. There is one more book, but I haven't used it for my students and for myself also, so I'm not really sure about it. The first book I would suggest you is Fit für Goethe Zertifikat A1 Start Deutsch 1. You can see the image here on the screen. This book has Wortschatztraining, but it has only one model test in it. It also has solutions and transcripts. So whatever transcripts are like whatever audios you listen to, the script is given there in the solution set. So it is very useful if you are not doing with any teacher or you are solving tests on your own, so you can see where the solution lies and where you should focus more. So if you even need detailed review of this book, let me know in the comment box. Next book I would like to suggest you guys is PRÜFUNGSTRAINIng. This book is slightly better than the previous one because it has step by step explanation on how to approach the questions in your exam. Moreover, it has 4 model tests and watch charts training as well. So I think that this book a lot of people will recommend. Even I would recommend this book. This book also had watch charts training more. It has less of it, but 4 model tests in it. So the links for these books are also given in the description box. Now last, our bonus tip. So if you want to improve your Lesen, Schreiben, Hören, Sprechen overall, after solving these all books, you can go and approach these books, try to solve these books, because these books have slightly higher level content in them, and if you are able to solve these books, then you will get really confident. Links for these books are also given in the description box, and it has a really good set of exercise. You get an idea how prepared you are, how much grasping you have for eins. And yeah, I would like to suggest these 2 books, and I've really found that I generally give these books as to solve in between the course breaks, and students have found that their level has definitely increased after solving these books. So yeah, you'll find it really useful. At the end, I would like to tell you that I have nothing to do with these books, just that I have myself used these books, and for my students as well, and I've seen the results. The links in the description box are not even affiliated, and this was my very first video related to German, and there are going to be definitely many more videos. So I was telling you guys in between that if you want this video, if you want that video, because I'm just collecting ideas for now on what topics should I create videos and everything. I'm collecting ideas for content. So if you guys want some specific videos, do let me know. And if you guys want detailed reviews for these books and how to use these books, how to approach, because see, if we have the books, you don't know how to solve it, then there's no point. We'll just keep reading it. You need a definite approach for solving those books. So do let me know that as well. If you want to contact me, my Instagram account, link for my Instagram account is given below. You can follow me there if you have any questions or doubts, or we already have our comment box. If you learned anything new from the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are learning German, who want to learn German, or who are going to learn German in future. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.